Welcome back, folks. Big day at the channel here. I'm super excited because I just recently got a nice little gift in the mail from a good subscriber of mine named George McMillan. Big shout out to him. I have been waiting the last 3 or 4 days for the weather to clear up so that I could actually come outside and open the box up on the hood of the car that the part is for. And we're going to open the thing up here in just a minute, and I put a battery in the car temporarily that I've been charging up, even though I haven't gotten the thing unlocked yet, just so we can test out this little accessory. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and rip into this box and find out what George gave us. Now, I know exactly what this thing is, but I just wanted to keep you guys in a little bit of suspense for the sake of it. A little bit difficult to do this one-handed. There we go. Sacrifice the shot for safety, not trying to cut myself. Oh, sweet. George got me some bubble wrap. That'll be perfect cushion replacement. Now, for those of you who don't recognize what this is, it is a vintage siren for this car. And I've got a little bit of wire with me because I was going to hook it up to the battery and test it. Oh yeah, I see both wires there. I'll definitely be able to test this thing. Red's always positive, so I don't think I'll screw anything up. Just give me a quick moment to cut and open this hood and connect things, and I'll show you what it sounds like. Before I open the hood, I just wanted to share a letter with you guys that I found in the bottom of the box. There's nothing too personal in it, just first names. And anyway, here goes. Sorry it's taken this long. Been dealing with some serious health issues. Been laid up for almost 7 months. Anyway, here's to annoying everybody within earshot with the siren. Also, need to find a 102-inch whip antenna with ball mount and spring. Old school cop antenna would add a little flair to the car. Enjoy, my friend. Well, thanks a million, George. Thanks a million, Mr. McMillan. Yeah. Trying to be funny. But anyways, to all my subscribers, I'd appreciate it if you keep George in your thoughts and prayers. He's been one of my best subscribers. He's a really friendly guy and extremely helpful, as you can see. It's like I said, let me get this hood open and test the siren out, and we'll find out what it sounds like. Alright fellas, I lost just a little bit of daylight, but I was able to prove that the siren actually does work. And before I get to that, I want to try to show you guys if the camera will focus. Come on, focus. Well, my camera is absolutely refusing to focus for some reason, but there's this little connection right here springing up and down that I had to clean out. And it only works when that's attached, so I'm going to duct tape that back together so I can show you guys what the siren sounds like. Alright, here goes the first real test. I'm going to let it spin up about as much as I can stand, as long as it's not terribly loud. Right on, that was pretty cool. I'll give it another shot. Man, that's going to be kick-ass. I can't wait till I get a red light and all the other goodies and stuff going on this car. Well, if I didn't mention it earlier, guys, give George McMillan, you know, all your love. Keep him in your thoughts and prayers. And once again, straight to you, George. Thanks a million, Mr. McMillan. I can't tell you how much I appreciate this siren. That was so freaking cool of you to send me a gift. Alright, guys, till next time. Have a good one.